How to look expensive on a budget. You don't need flashy brands and designer logos to look expensive. In fact, you don't need all that much money. With the right tools at your disposal and the right styling techniques, you can look chic, elegant, put together without draining your bank account. And today we're going to learn how to do just that. Here's how to look expensive on a budget. Let me just clarify, when I say expensive, I don't mean how to look rich or how to flex or how to flaunt some fake wealth that you don't have. I mean how to look chic, elegant, sophisticated, walk in that room exuding CEO energy. That kind of expensive. And in order to do that, we have 6 key points that we need to pay attention to. Tip number 1 is to wear black for 2 reasons. 1, darker colors tend to make you look more elegant, especially black. Even if you take the most casual outfit, the fact that it's in black will make the look a bit more classy. If you had the same look in brown and orange, for example, it would give a completely different vibe. More casual, more fun and playful, and it is a good look too, but overall less serious. Whereas the black gives you that more sleek, refined look. And 2, black is great at hiding the quality of your garment, so you can get away with wearing cheaper materials and nobody will notice. I've been asked many times where these trousers are from, and you would never guess that they're from ASOS for $45. They're definitely not the highest quality out there. They're made from polyester instead of wool, but you would be surprised to find out that I've actually had these for over 2 years now, and they're still in impeccable condition. This outfit really is just a t-shirt with some trousers and sneakers, but the all black aspect gives it an air of elegance that a colorful outfit wouldn't have done. And the t-shirt looks so chic, yet it's only $19.99 from Uniqlo. Tip number 2, wear monochrome neutrals. I know it's contradictory to wearing black, but hear me out. I'm not telling you to go all rainbow, color-blocked outfit on me. I'm talking soft, plain neutrals. With the right pieces, a monochromatic look in earth tones, cream tones, or grays can look absolutely chic. There's something inherently carefree in the most elegant way with an oversized beige linen shirt or knitted shirt. Picture a tonal look by the water with some wide leg trousers, maybe some slip-ons, a few accents of gold jewelry. Relaxing on a Sunday afternoon, enjoying the breeze. If I saw this and had to guess the prices of each item, I would guess quite expensive, but the shirt is actually only $35 from ASOS, the trousers are from an older collection of Arket, and the gold watch is $140 from Nixon. The slip-ons are a little more expensive as they're from Fear of God, but you can find very similar alternatives from Aldo or Zara, and I'll link to those in the description. Monochromatic outfits just make everything look more expensive. This oversized gray suit is from Zara, but paired with a black knitted t-shirt, some black loafers, and blacked out sunglasses, it just gives the whole look a super chilled business casual vibe. Now, I would never wear this at a corporate office, but in a casual environment, for a coffee meeting for example, I think the vibes are immaculate. Business with an edge. You can also go monochromatic with different shades of brown. Try a relaxed knitted sweater. This one is only 25 pounds from Weekday, over some smart trousers and white sneakers. Here, the relaxed silhouette along with the color palette give the outfit an awesome grandpa chic vibe, fusing classic menswear with a little bit of preppy and a little bit of street. It looks expensive in the most nonchalant way possible. Nothing will cheapen your outfit faster than a big, chunky chain that is clearly made from cheap materials. In order to look expensive, you need to choose the right jewelry, and it's not that complicated. The key here is to go minimal. Whether you prefer silver or gold jewelry, keep it pared back with just a few simple pieces here and there. For rings, I would go for 1 or 2 rings, maybe 3 max, and keeping it to minimal, classic shapes. You can play around with some geometric ones, but I would be careful with things like skulls and signet rings with big bold designs because that can quickly start looking very edgy. A simple cuff bracelet can add a nice touch to the wrist, and as for necklaces, I would keep it underneath whatever you're wearing up top, just letting the chain subtly peek out. If you have your ears pierced, I would stay away from dangly ones that look very cool but can give you a more edgy bohemian look, and instead stick to smaller studs, hoops, and variants of hoops. Tip number 4, fit is key. Hear me out though, when I say fit, I don't mean that everything needs to fit slim and close to the body. I mean that your outfit needs the right proportions. If you're going for a slimmer silhouette, have it be streamlined top to bottom. Don't go for big chunky shoes with slim jeans, it's gonna make you look ridiculous. On the other hand, if you're going for a wider silhouette, keep that wideness from top to bottom. This is a good example of two all-black outfits with completely different silhouettes, yet both still look elevated and expensive. With that said, this is not a strict rule, meaning that it is possible to pull off a wider bottom with a slimmer top or a wider top with a slimmer bottom. However, those silhouettes will often lean more fashion-forward, and sometimes, but not always, at the detriment of looking chic, which is what we're going for in this video. So when in doubt, to be on the safer side, keep the silhouette of your outfit relatively consistent from top to bottom. Okay, before we go on to the next essential tip to looking expensive on a budget, I want to show you that already with these 4 tips alone, by combining them, you can already build an elegant, chic, tasteful outfit that doesn't break the bank. Let's start with the pants. We have these Uniqlo U French rib trousers in black, following tip number 1. Currently on sale for only $29.90. They're super comfortable and they look quite chic in black. Let's start the top half with a white tank top from Uniqlo, coming in at $9.90. And since the trousers are quite relaxed and fit, we're gonna follow tip number 4. Staying consistent with the silhouette, we're gonna layer an oversized white shirt on top. The shirt is actually from ASOS and cost me around $25. For shoes, we could go for some white sneakers or some black loafers. I know these are Axel Arigato, but you can replace these with literally any white sneaker out there. And penny loafers, you can obviously find these everywhere at any price point. I think both options work really well here, but for this specific video, I'm gonna have to go with the black loafers. I think they just give the outfit a more chic, elegant vibe, which is what we're going for. Black and white is always a killer color combo. We're just keeping that color palette nice and monochrome, following tip number 2. And of course, following tip number 3, we have the minimal jewelry. And that's the outfit. Clean, simple, elevated, and it definitely looks more expensive than it really is. But we still have a few more things to learn to really master the art of looking expensive on a budget. Tip number 5, know when to dress up and when to dress down. Let me explain. Have you ever been in a coffee shop, for example, where most people are dressed casual, and then you see someone walk in a sharp, tailored suit, and you instantly think, damn, that guy looks cool, he looks sharp, he looks expensive, and he definitely means business. When you're in an environment where most people are dressed casual, being a little bit dressed up can make you stand out in a good way. Now take the opposite scenario. I've heard someone say this before, and I'm paraphrasing here, so I might butcher it a little bit, but you know when you're a kid and you look up to the people in suits and you kind of want to be them when you grow up, but then you find out that the guys in suits actually work for the guys in sweatpants and a t-shirt. So I find that in a similar vein, in a more dressy environment, it's the person that can actually get away with dressing more casual that almost looks cooler, effortlessly cool and chic. It's like some fancy restaurants that have a smart casual dress code, but they'll let celebrities wear whatever they want. So you'll have people in suits and long dresses sitting at the dinner table, but then you'll have Justin Bieber over there wearing baggy pants and a hoodie. You might like it, you might not, but you can't deny that there is a certain cool factor to it. Casual is the new chic. And tip number 6, be bold with a statement piece. This one is a bit of a wild card, but I personally think it looks so cool when someone is wearing a piece that is quite unique, but you can tell in the way they hold themselves that they simply do not care what anybody thinks, because they can afford to wear whatever they want and they have the confidence to pull it off. Be bold, be brave, be that guy in that bold pink hoodie and wear it with confidence. My favorite way to make a statement is with boldly colored pieces anchored against a more neutral base outfit, like a colorful hoodie with black trousers, black boots, and a white tee, or a colorful oversized polo with some black trousers and white sneakers. Black and white is always a solid base color scheme that will allow any other color to stand out massively. Lastly, I want to give you a bonus tip. If you want to look chic, if you want to look expensive, it's great to pay attention to your clothes, but don't disregard your grooming and your skincare. A clean haircut, well-kept facial hair, and glowing skin will improve your appearance tenfold. You don't need to go to the barber shop every week, but you can learn how to style your hair, learn how to trim your beard properly, and get a solid skincare routine that you can actually keep up every day. That will make a world of difference. And if you don't have a good skincare routine yet, I'd highly suggest checking out our skincare partner, Geology. They focus on delivering simple, efficient, personalized skincare for men with ingredients that work. All you gotta do is answer a simple online quiz on their website to get started, and they're gonna prescribe you with a personalized skincare regimen tailored to your individual skin goals and needs. Just make sure to use the code TIM70 to get 70% off of your first purchase. I'll put a link to Geology's website down in the description if you'd like to check them out. So, quick recap on what we learned today to look expensive on a budget. Number 1, wear black. Number 2, try monochrome neutrals. Number 3, choose the right jewelry. Number 4, focus on fit and proportions. Number 5, know when to dress up and when to dress down. And number 6, be bold with a statement piece. And don't disregard your grooming and skincare. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a thing or two. If you did, please do share this with a friend, and I wish you all a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next one. Tip number 2, wear monochrome neutrals. Neutrals. I know it's contradictory to wearing black. I just said hearing black. I'm not telling you to go all rainbow. Rainbow.
Oh, what's going on?